In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you a new play-to-earn game that you can play in Polygon Network, which is similar to Cryptozoon and other play-to-earn games in terms of the gameplay. And the good thing is that it is the first game in Polygon Network, so it is pretty much new. And of course, Polygon Network is a lot more better in terms of transaction fees than Binance Smart Chain. And the game is called SIMBA EMPIRE. So before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another play to earn update from you guys, okay? So let's start right here. So how you can actually put some money in Polygon Network. So I think that's the most important part before I start into this game, because a lot of people do not know how to put money in Polygon Network. So first of all, what you're just going to do here is that this Metamask that you have here, it is pretty much the same as your Binance Smart Chain. So what you just need to do is just copy this address over here and then go into your wallet section, and then you actually want to look for Matic. So how do you look for Matic? You just type into the search coin. So let me just zoom in so that you will see it. So just type in Matic and then click withdraw. Okay, so if you haven't had a Matic before, just convert it. Just convert your USDT tokens into a Matic Network, and it's very easy to convert it via Binance, Fiat, and Spot. So what you just need to do is just withdraw this one, okay, Matic Network, and then add the address over here, and then select the withdrawal network. So this is the withdrawal network. So as you can see here, it is a lot more cheaper than Binance Smart Chain. That is why it's very good. So what you just need to do is just click that part and then put the Matic Network that you want to withdraw. And as you can see here, I already made a recent withdrawal last night on this part. So you can see that I'm not just promoting it, I'm also in here, guys. I'm also playing this game. So what you just need to do is just wait for like 5 to 15 minutes and it will reflect into your Metamask account. And if you are not aware how you can add Polygon, okay, you can just search it on Google. So Polygon Metamask network setup, and you will be able to see it here into the medium. So this is the custom RPC, this part, and I'm also going to put this one into the description box below so that you will be able to add the Matic into your Metamask account. So after you've done that, okay, you've done your part, what you just need to do is go into the Polygon Poolcoin section. So just search for a SIMBA EMPIRE. So this is the official contract address, which I'm also going to put into the description box below so that you will be able to join in here. So you can trade this one via Quickswap, which is an equivalent of PancakeSwap in Matic Network. So this is imposing small fees, smaller than Binance Smart Chain. Again, 50%. Again, I think it was around 75% cheaper than Binance Smart Chain. So what you just need to do is just convert your Matic tokens here to SIM tokens. So I'm also going to put this link into the description box below, also the contract address, so that you will be able to buy SIMBA tokens immediately for free without any scam or all. So after you've done that, guys, I will now explain the gameplay here, okay? So SIMBA EMPIRE is like what I've said to you, it is pretty much similar to Cryptozoon because it also have a merge, and you are also battling an AI opponent where if you win, you will get SIM tokens. So let's take in first here how you can create SIMBA EMPIRE. So after you've done this one, guys, let's say you are just new, you will see something like a register here, and then just click register now, or also you can use my link that I'm also going to put into the description box below so that you can earn, and of course I am going to get some fraction of that earnings, but I mean that's just for free. It is not like getting you money, but it's like an affiliate stuff. If you are supporting me, then probably you could use this one, guys, so that I will make some few money that I can use for my future videos to come. So after you've done that, guys, you already register. Okay, all you just need to do is just buy it into the store tab. Okay, so you can buy it directly into the store. So you can start as low as a 10 sim. So we can look at the CoinGecko. So as you can see here, it is even into the CoinGecko part. So 10 sim is like 42 pesos, or like smaller than a dollar. So you can just start it right away at the price of $1. You can even start for around what do you call that? You can even start for around $2. You can even start for around $4, $16, and even $20, even $40. It depends on how much money that you have. But in my case, I started with a lot of level 6 Simba, so that I am going to get a lot more money in terms of Sim tokens. So after you've done that, guys, okay, you've bought it, I'm also going to explain one feature. Okay, so just in case you want to merge, you want to make your character a lot more stronger, what you can do here is just merge this one. Okay, merge it. So what you could do is that when you are merging it, you are going to get a possibility that you will be up by 1 level, by 2 levels, and by 3 levels. Okay, so sadly I can't show it to you right now because I already merged everything. But for a 2 level, you have a chance for around 11%. For 1 level, you have 77%. For a 3 level, you have 7%. And for the fail, I think you have 11%. Okay, so what you will get when you are merging, of course, one NFT will be burned, but also it will be leveled up if it is successful. And when you are battling here, you will be able to fight a much more stronger opponents, which in turns gives you more sim tokens, which in turns gives you more money. Okay, so after you've done that, guys, I hope you are successful. So in my case, I actually got lucky. I got a level 8. Okay, I got a level 8 rook, level 8 teal. And what I'm just going to do here is that I'm just going to battle it directly here. So what I'm just going to do here, okay? So as you can see here, this is how you fight, okay? There are 5 battles in the game, so it will reset automatically every 24 hours. So you have 5 chances to win. So you can select which opponent that you want to battle. So you will be able to see the class here, the power in here. And what I am seeing here is that if you are battling same power, even though it has a same class, even though it has a lot more power than you, you still have a higher chance to win. Just making sure that you have a higher power and you are not battling a lot more stronger opponents that you can't even beat, like this part. Okay, so that's just my my advice. So let's just go forward here. So I'm just going to battle this one, and what you just need to do is just fight. Okay, so like what I'm said to you, it is similar to Cryptozoon in other games. So let's just confirm it here. And as you can see here, you just wait for around 5 to 10 seconds for you to be able to see what is the result of it. And sadly, you won't know what is happening behind this one. So what are they doing, how they are actually fighting. But as you can see here, it is confirmed, and you see I am getting a reward of 23 sim with a 1 XP. So this reward will be transferred into the pending reward, which I'm also going to explain right away later on. So let's just continue to battle this one. Okay, So let's just repeat this for like four times more, four more times. So we will just refresh this one if there is some bugs like that that you are seeing. So let's click the barrel again, turtle. Let's click the fight, and then we're just going to wait for a few more seconds. And of course, you actually want to fight a lot more stronger opponents. So what is 23 sim equivalent? So it is equivalent to 96 PHP, which in dollar it is $2. So it is not entirely barrel roll. If you're going to repeat it by 5 times in each character, you can even earn up to 12 to even $50. Okay, in my case, I am earning around $40 to $50 here, so it's not actually barrel roll. So as you can see here, you can still have a chance to lose, and you will only lose 1 XP. But in terms of the tokens that you are getting, you won't lose any of it. Okay, it is entirely yours. So let's just go back here. Let's repeat this one. Okay, let's repeat this. So we still have 3 more turns to do this and repeat this to make money. So let's just wait for the confirmation. So I got a reward now a lot more higher than before. It is 35.82949 SIM, which is equivalent to 147 PHP, which in dollar it is $3. So let's just repeat it 2 more times, okay? Because that is what we aim. So I'm also going to show it to you some of the features that you actually want to know, like the pending reward. So let's just finish this one so that I will be able to explain everything inside this. So it says transaction confirmed. So you see I got another 35 SIM, and let's repeat it for one last time for this character. So again, you can repeat this, you can barrel 5 times every day for each character, and you do not need to wait for there's no energy or stuff, so it doesn't take some toll to you. So you see here, I've won 3 out of 2, and I think that's part of the game. So if you're going to barrel again, so you see I already barreled like 5 times, you see that I am getting a lot more, I'm paying a lot more Matic than before, okay? The reason why is that you already finished your turn, and it says transaction error exception thrown in a contract code. So let's say we're going to refresh this one, okay? So that you will be able to see it. So you see, I finished my 5 turns today, and I will just come back tomorrow. So that's how easy it is. And you will be able, okay, this is what things that I want to explain to you. So this is the USDT value of this rook, of this, what do you call that, of this character, and into the SIM value, this is the current price, and this is the quality, this is the power, and how much XP that you have. This is the strength, the speed, the vitality, the mentality, and the magic. So you can soon sell it in the marketplace if you would like to, but in my case, I'm not going to sell it because why would I? I'm making a lot of money here. So let's just explain what are the current other features into the game. Okay, so let's go back here. So this is the pending reward. So it has a stacks. So what does it mean by tax? Okay, it prevents you to get your money while you are like making money inside the platform, because there's a lot of people that are just like when they won the game, they are going to withdraw every single penny, which is not that good for the ecosystem, because if there are more people that are withdrawing, then of course the price will also go down. And if we're going to talk about the pending rewards, it is also implemented into the other legitimate games like CryptoBlades and Cryptozoon, because it encourages people to hold, and also you can farm it here they do have a DeFi staking here where you can join SIM tokens slash Matic. So this is a liquidity pool, and let's say you don't want to play the game, you actually want to stake your SIM tokens and Matic tokens, and you actually want to get some rewards. So this is the current APR, 781%, and also the total value lock is really small. So into this part, the total value lock is still $200,000. So it is entirely new, and I think it will even go up to $1 million soon. Let's see what will actually happen here, and you can just stake it here. And for you to be able to stake, just click this part right here and just click Add Liquidity, and you will be able to do it right away. So just click Matic. So and let's go back here. So let's click Matic and also SIM. Okay. So I think it is here. So this one. So I'm just going to click this one and just put a Matic equivalent to SIMBA. So sorry, I'm pretty much stuttering. So let's say you have $100 worth of Matic. You can put $100 of SIMBA too. So that's a total of $200, and you will be able to stake it inside this pool right here. Okay, so that's how easy it is. For the market, again, it will be launched soon, so make sure to abuse this one, because I think there won't be a massive sell-off, because first of all, there are lesser people that are playing in Polygon, because a lot of people are in the Binance Smart Chain. It is also congested, and I think Polygon Network has a lot of things to offer in terms of transaction fees. It is also relatively cheap, so make sure to get that one. So this is the initial liquidity offering that they have. So this is the things that you actually want to know: the private sale, the public sale. 39% are allocated into the play to earn game, and ecosystem fund is 27%, team is 15%, 3% for the advisors, and 1% for the airdrop as well. So this is everything that you need to know. So if you want to battle other SIMBA, just click it here into the home. Okay, just view the details, click the battle. You will actually see how many battles that you can do per day. Into this part right here, you see there is a number here, so you can battle it here, and then just click whatever you actually want to battle. So in my case, maybe I can battle this, so I'm just going to click the fight, and I'm just going to confirm it. So that's how easy it is for you to be able to play SIMBA Empire inside Polygon Network. This is a complete and ultimate guide that you can use if you are still not familiar and you actually want to join the game. So first of all, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on my next video.